So if you're watching this video, that means you've received your email inviting you to the gallery. So you would just click on this button down here at the bottom of your email. And when you click on it, it's going to bring you to a page asking you to create a password for your account. When I click on it, it's going to just bring me directly to the gallery. So you can see for this package that this person purchased, they have one photo for the download. Some packages have two. You would see two here. To see the images before you select, you could scroll down, and by clicking on the image, you'll see it larger, and you could just hit these arrows to scroll through. And let's say this is the one you like. You would just simply hit the X up here on the top left corner, and then you could click here. Now you see these little circles, so you would make your selection by clicking on that circle and then download. After you've done that, I'll receive an email saying that you've downloaded your image, and then I will place that order for prints, okay, and they'll be mailed directly to your home. So let's say after you've done that, you really like this picture too. So what you could do is, when you click on it, you have the shopping cart up here. You could click that shopping cart, and a menu will pop up with all different things that you could order. So we have other downloads you could purchase. High resolution is printable. Low resolution is really just for social media. You can't really print with it. We have prints ranging in all different sizes, canvases, metal prints, all kinds of things. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email at chris@chrisdambrosiostudios.com.